Pupils daily through masterminds. William Shakespeare is considered as a universal writer. He was born in 1564 in Stratford upon Avon. He was the eldest son of John and Mary Shakespeare. John Shakespeare was a town official and a local businessman. Mary was the daughter of a local landlord. Young William is said to have attended the Stratford Grammar School where he picked up his skills in English, Greek, Latin, and Christian ethics. William had to stop his studies due to some financial hardships. Consequently, William had to stop his studies. After that, he never attended any university, nor did he resume his education. The people in Shakespeare's hometown was very much interested in drama. At the age of 18, William Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, who was older to him by 8 years. The couple had 3 children, Susanna and twins Hamnet and Judith. Unfortunately, Hamnet died in 1596 at the age of 11. It is believed that Shakespeare had left Stratford for London when he was in his 20s. He established himself in the theatre field. In a couple of years, he emerged as a rising playwright in London. But in 1592, due to the outbreak of plague, again all theatres were closed down. He then turned to poetry. By 1598, William Shakespeare had started writing sonnets. These were published in 1609. In 1603, William Shakespeare's biggest drama, Hamlet, was printed. It is the story of a prince who mourns his father's death and mother's remarriage. Hamlet and Romeo and Juliet are among the most famous literary works of the world. After Hamlet came Othello and King Lear. His final play was The Tempest. This play is considered as Shakespeare's farewell to his theatrical art. A number of Shakespeare's plays were published during his lifetime, but none of the original dramatic manuscripts have survived. The greatest dramatist died on 23rd April 1616. In 1623, 7 years after, a folio edition of his collected works was printed. It was known as the First Folio. It contained 36 of his plays, only half of which had been published during his lifetime. In his lifetime, he wrote 38 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 epic narrative poems. Shakespeare's plays have been adapted to screen some 300 times. Despite criticisms, Shakespeare continued to shine in the sky of world literature. He was rightly called the Bard of Avon and was often considered to be England's national poet. Shakespeare is the most quoted writer in the literature and history of the English-speaking world. Let's also grow great by grasping the wisdom of this evergreen writer.